Bro, bayaran ko na. Sa labasan lang ako. Pasok ko na lang yung baso pagkatapos. Thank you. Hello mga kamag-anak, welcome back to the channel. Nandito ako ngayon sa Three Line Ales dito sa Robinson's Magnolia. They have a brewery right here, nandito sa bar mismo. Yan, nakikita natin dyan. But the last time I was here, hindi pa sila operational, soft opening pa lang. Hindi pa sila nagbo-brew ng sarili nilang beer. In order ko nun is yung mga guest brew dun sa top nila, Katipunan at saka Crazy Carabao. But now that I'm back here, months later, meron na silang sariling beer na binubrew. And right now, this is what I ordered and I'm excited to taste this one. This is Choco Milk Stout. Nung nabalitaan ko na meron silang ganitong stout na bagong brew, pumunta agad ako because this is one of my favorite types of beer. Yung mga may itim, the dark ones, the stouts, the porters, and the dark lagers. Kaya ito, tikman natin yung kanilang stout. Let's go. I really can't explain how much I love the smell of this chocolate stout. It's milk chocolate, but it smells like dark chocolate. That's how it smells like. The alcohol percentage of this is only 5%, so hindi masyadong mataas. Actually, 5%, I think it's mababa siya for a stout. There are some stouts na natikman ko na around 6 or 7%. This is just right. The flavor itself, it's very flavorful. The mouthfeel is very good. I like the thickness, yung kapal ng flavor inside the mouth. Nakaka-addict. You can't stop tasting it. This one glass of chocolate milk stout is only 220 pesos. Medyo may kamahalan siya than your usual craft beers, maybe because they sell it dito sa mall. Pero pagka sa mga online stores ka bumili ng mga beers, this is a little bit, the price is a little bit lower. This is the reason kung bakit favorite ko lagi yung mga stouts at saka yung mga porters and yung mga dark beers. It's so rich with flavors and aroma. This is why I love Pinoy craft beers. Ang daming mga ganitong klase ng beer na hindi mo ine-expect. Biro mo, nandito ka lang sa Robinson's Magnolia, hindi mo ine-expect na merong brewery pala dito sa Robinson's Magnolia. This is located, kung alam niyo yung playground, yung malaking parang bilog na merong fake grass in the middle, that, I don't know what it's called, basta let's call it the playground. It's right across that. It's not very hard to find. And malaki naman yung signage dyan. Makikita mo, Three Line Ales. The staff is very accommodating and they know their beers. Pwede niyang i-explain sa'yo kung ano yung mga lasa ng mga beer bago mo bilhin. In fact, bago ka pumili or bago ka bumili ng malaking glass, pwede mong tikman yung mga beer na nandun sa top nila. Patitikimin ka. Pwede mong tikman kung ano yung flavors na gusto mo bago mo bilhin. Sabi nung brewer na gumawa nito, let it warm up a little bit. Because apparently, ganun pala talaga dapat iniinom ang mga stout. Hindi dapat masyadong malamig. Dapat medyo room temperature lang or a little bit colder than room temperature. It's surprising kasi normally, tayong mga Pinoy, gustong-gusto natin ng malamig na malamig ang ating mga beer. In fact, some of us, niyeyeluhan, nilalagyan ng ice ang mga beer nila, which is apparently it's not the right way of drinking beer. Yes, I know it's so nerdy to say that. And some other beers, meron pa nga silang mga tinatawag na sub-zero or below zero. It kills the flavor of the beer itself. Kasi namamatay yung flavor, nawawala yung flavor pag masyadong malamig ang beer. So, the correct way of drinking beer is yung hindi masyadong malamig. Allow the temperature na tumaas ng konti. I don't know what exact temperature that is. But I know na napapansin ko nga na mas masarap ang beer. Mas nalalasahan ko yung beer. Yung flavors, yung aroma, kapag hindi ice cold. So that's what I'm doing now. Hindi ko dinidire-diretso itong stout na iniinom ko. Hinahayaan kong mawala yung lamig. And yes, totoo nga. Mas naaamoy ko at saka mas nalalasahan ko yung flavors niya. I like it. And by the way, just to let you know, this video is not sponsored. Hindi ako binabayaran ng mga pinupuntahan kong brewery and ng mga Pinoy craft beer brands na tinitikman ko dito sa channel na to. I just love supporting Pinoy craft beers, yung mga local breweries. I'm so excited dahil maraming mga naglabasan yung mga maliliit na microbreweries dito sa atin sa Pilipinas. And my objective is to taste all of the craft beers and the microbrews na nag-exist dito sa Pilipinas. And if you wanna watch my top 10 favorite Pinoy craft beers of 2022, check out this link. See you in that episode. Cheers!